We all know bugs are annoying, but what about bad bug reports? They're the real culprit behind delayed fixes and endless confusion. In this video, I'll show you how to write bug reports that are clear, detailed, and actionable. Clear bug reports are more than just a formality. They're essential for faster fixes and better teamwork. A messy report can cost you and your customers precious time. When done right, bug reports can be the key to delivering a smoother user experience. With 6 quick steps and a ready-made template, let's see how you can write better bug reports. First things first, every bug needs a unique ID. This makes it easier to track and reference. Think of it as your bug's fingerprint. It's what keeps the details organized. A good title quickly tells the developer what's wrong. Instead of saying, "Something's broken," be specific. Describe the issue clearly, like, "Login page returns 404 error after submission." Assigning a priority level to a bug tells developers how urgent it is, while severity indicates how badly it affects functionality. For example, a typo might be low severity, but an app crash is critical. Bugs can behave differently depending on the environment. Make sure to specify your operating system, browser version, and device. Details like these help developers replicate the issue faster. Break the problem down step by step, like a recipe, so developers can follow along and see the issue for themselves. If they can't reproduce the bug, they can't fix it. Finally, remember that sometimes words aren't enough. Attach screenshots, error logs, or screen recordings to visually demonstrate the bug. These can save developers a lot of time and guesswork. With all these steps, writing bug reports might seem time-consuming, but work management tools like ClickUp simplify the process. ClickUp's bug and issue tracking template takes the guesswork out of bug reporting. It comes with a structured form to standardize reports, automatically tags priority, and lets you attach screenshots or recordings with ease. Plus, you can track the bug's progress through customizable workflows in real time. With ClickUp, you can do more than write better bug reports. You can track, manage, and resolve issues in one place. Standardized templates and real-time visibility into progress make bug tracking a breeze. Start free with ClickUp today and ship better products much faster.